Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to add text in Elementor to your WordPress website. In previous video I showed you how to add image, how to edit image and how to place image on your website. And today I'm going to show you how to add text and all these elements like text, image, forms. These are elements in Elementor, and to access all elements which you would like to add to your WordPress website in Elementor, you click here on this dotted icon, as you can see here guys. If we click on this dotted icon, we can see all elements which you can add. If we would want to add heading text, then we would be using this heading. But if we want to add simple text, then as you can see here is text editor. We just click on it here on this text editor and we drag it where we want to add it on our page. As you can see, now I added this text here on the page, and if you would like to change the style, you can do it similarly as we did with image. You can click here on the top, here you can select content, here you can change the text which you want to display, like hi there, and then you can click in style and you can change different parameters of your text. As you can see, text color, if we click in there, you can change text to red just by selecting here color which you would want to add, or you can add your own hexadecimal code for the color here at the very bottom. Here you can click on custom if you would want to add some color which is custom to your website, and here we can also change typography of your text. If we click here on this pencil icon, here you can see you can change the size of your text, you can change the weight of your text. It depends what weight you want, whether you want it to be more bold or you want it to be thinner text, or we can use this transform to make text to uppercase letters or to lowercase letters or to leave it as it is. Then we click in normal and we can also select style, as you can see here guys, normal, italic for example, if we want the text to be italic, and we can also change line height between the lines of the text also here, and letter spacing. If we want more spaces between each letter, we can do this also or achieve it also here guys by adding letter spacing, and we can also add word spacing here at the very bottom if we want to do so. And here is also text shadow, where you can add a text shadow if you want to do it, and we can also add more advanced features which you can also find here guys. Just come in and play around with this. But in general, this is how you can add text. Main thing what you need to remember guys is that all elements which you would like to add to the page, they are located under this dotted icon. For example, now I will click again on this plus sign and then I will click here or select my layout. For example, 1 column layout, 2 column layout, 4 column layout, depends on how many columns you want. I will select 1 column, and now I click again on these dots and again I drag this text here guys, and this means that this text is in 1 column and spans all over the page. So yes, this is how you can add text with Elementor to your WordPress website. If you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.